How to fix Wi-Fi connected but no internet. Hello everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are solving the issue of the Wi-Fi being connected but having no internet access. So if you're also having the same problem, you can also follow the same method and you should be able to fix that issue. So let's just get started. So for that, once you've opened up your desktop and if you have connected to Wi-Fi and it is not working, the number one method we can apply is forgetting the Wi-Fi password. So for that, you can go ahead and look out for the Wi-Fi connection and forget it. You can just go ahead and click on forget, and after you have done that, what you can do is simply reconnect your Wi-Fi network again. So that is the number one method you can apply in order to fix that Wi-Fi connected. Otherwise, head over to device manager, and once you're here, look up for the network adapter here and look up for the router here. So once you've located your router, you can just right click on it and uninstall that device, that router, from your computer and refresh your computer. And also try reconnecting the Wi-Fi again and see if that works or not. Even if that doesn't fix the issue, the next method we can apply is opening up our settings. And once you've opened up your settings, head over to network and internet. Open up the network and internet settings. And once you're here on this section, scroll down and look out for network reset. Just go ahead and click on it. After that, reset your network, and that is it. So these are the three methods you can apply for now in order to fix the Wi-Fi connected but no internet for now. So therefore, I hope this video was helpful to you, and thank you for watching this video, and I will see you in the next one.